Is your diesel truck blowing thick black smoke and completely losing power on the road? You might have a plugged-up exhaust system, often indicated by the P2460 code. This generic powertrain diagnostic trouble code applies specifically to diesel vehicles equipped with an OBD2 system. It means that the powertrain control module has detected an abnormally low voltage input signal from the circuit of the diesel particulate filter pressure sensor B. The diesel particulate filter, or DPF, is a crucial emission control device mounted in the exhaust system, designed to trap up to 90% of the thick black soot produced by a diesel engine. As soot builds up inside the filter, the exhaust pressure naturally increases. The engine computer monitors this pressure using the DPF pressure sensor, which is usually mounted in the engine bay and connected to the exhaust by small silicon hoses. When the filter gets full, the computer triggers a regeneration process by injecting fuel or diesel exhaust fluid to burn off the trapped soot at extremely high temperatures. If the computer reads a lower than expected pressure signal, it sets this code. The symptoms of a P2460 code should be treated urgently to avoid permanent damage. You will likely experience a noticeable drop in engine performance and see excessive black smoke pouring from the tailpipe. You might also notice increased engine temperatures and an overheating transmission. The causes for this low pressure code are usually mechanical rather than electrical. The most common cause is a severe exhaust leak somewhere before the DPF, which prevents pressure from building up normally in the pipes. The small silicon tubes connecting the exhaust to the pressure sensor also frequently get clogged with hard soot or melt entirely from the extreme exhaust heat. Of course, you could also have a faulty DPF pressure sensor or an open or shorted wire in its electrical circuit. To diagnose this, start by physically inspecting the entire exhaust system for leaks, especially near the turbocharger and the downpipe. Next, locate the DPF pressure sensor and carefully inspect the small silicon hoses attached to it. If they are melted, cracked, or clogged with hard carbon, they must be replaced with heavy-duty high-temperature silicon line. If the hoses and exhaust look perfectly fine, you will need a digital multimeter to test the electrical resistance of the pressure sensor itself, comparing it to the manufacturer's specifications. If the sensor is bad, simply replace it. You should absolutely take your diesel to a professional mechanic if you cannot find an obvious exhaust leak or broken hose, because a malfunctioning DPF system can cause severe backpressure that can destroy your expensive turbocharger or engine internals. Thanks for watching, and keep your diesel running clean.